Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, Natty Colbert Art. Today I thought we were going to declutter and clean up my room and talk about my future art plans. Let's do it. So after a little beach time today, yay! Got my beach attire on. Whoops, where are we? Here. So tomorrow is going to be a big project. I gotta clean this mess up. As you can see behind me, look at all that, the crap. So my plan is, I'll show you. Okay, so my plan is putting this orange, yellow thing into my closet. Take some stuff out of there, obviously, to move things over. And then I can put all my finished paintings there. And then I can, because this has all these, you see these slots here? You can actually put dividers. Maybe just like buy some, not rope, well it could be rope, but kind of like a, what do you call it? Some, not a string, oh my god, anyway. I can't remember the word right now, but that's what I'm going to do in between so they can stand in there and they don't are on top of each other because they like to stick to each other, so we don't want that. So I'm going to weave it through and then I put my the ones who fit in there. And yeah, then I need to clean up this corner there and this corner here, so that's, I need to go through stuff and get rid of that because I'm tackling this mess here. I'm gonna put you on hyper speed and see how far we get till we get to our vine project I want to start. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm starting with the closet, as you can see, and all that cardboard and packing stuff is from supplies I got shipped to, and now I thought I'm gonna sell a bunch of art, but I never did, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Most of it, I only gonna keep a few to make room for my other stuff. I really try to declutter and organize my art room using just the supplies and shelves and whatever that I already owned. I didn't want to buy anything. And so I looked at the closet and I saw it in another video somewhere. Another artist they already had shelves in their closet, but anyway, so I thought, I'll put that in there. Unfortunately, I can't close the door, but it still looks pretty nice and organized over there, I think, and the paintings won't get damaged like they would if they sit on top of each other. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, but I think that was a pretty good solution anyway. Okay, so I did put some of these wires in here to keep the paintings from falling over. Go all the way down there, so let's put some paintings on here. See what we can do. Okay, so let's get the bigger ones situated. Probably should put some of this bubbly stuff underneath. Make sure the counters are not getting wrecked. besides the disaster my room was, I also decided to do this decluttering and organizing because I want to take a break from acrylic pouring. And yeah, my room is too small and it always gets messy and dirty, and I just can't deal with that anymore. So I'm excited to start some new artwork around abstract art, but also start journaling and a sketchbook. So to get inspired and yeah, just have a break and do something different. Okay, so I tried to organize this corner. Got some stuff done, looks way better now. But we still got all this problem here. I'm not gonna put all this, I want to put it in the closet, but I should have done that first. So I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Maybe put like a sheet over it or something. This stuff has to go. I'm gonna organize all these little things. They're gonna all go in here. And disaster. So I'm gonna Okay, so let's just take a quick tour. So this is when you come in. This is the wall. I usually have paintings, but because I only put them up with thumbtacks, they always fall down and they get wrecked. So yeah, problem. But I kind of try to put stuff up here that inspires me, or is the new stuff. And then this is the tripod with my RingLight for the phone. But I have sort of did the same thing with my DSLR. I used to have one for my DSLR to put mount right on it, but it broke, so I need to get a new one. And then this is where I store most of my pens and pencils, and here's the paints. These are just the paints I use for little projects. There's inks. Again, they haven't been sorted out yet, but at least they're in the right place. Down here is mostly brushes and other tools I use. And there's a lovely window with my knick-knack on top of it. Again, has to be a little more stylized, but you know. And this is one of my desks, and this is another desk. I think I'm going to pull this desk out more to give it more room, because now I have more room over here. So pull this out more. So I got the two desks. This one, I used to want to have this more as my computer desk when I do editing and stuff, but I always end up editing on my couch because it gets late and I'm too lazy to sit straight. And then, so under there's all my 100,000 aluminum pallets and my encaustic skillet. And then there's a couple of pallets up there. And there's the rag collection. Gotta find another place for that, but for now it's there. Then there's more encaustic. And there's a mishmash of little things that I might use for scrapbooking or journaling. And here are all I have books, miscellaneous stuff. There's all the resins and mediums and sprays and some of my glass jars, and down there's again stuff that needs to be sorted out, but so far I know at least where it is. It's my drawer unit, has some paper. This actually has all my sewing supplies, which I don't really use much anymore. This one has all my photography. Oh, I can't even open up right now. Lomography photography stuff, which means basically analog 35mm film. And this is a picture I painted of my daughter. This is a memorial piece from my grandmother I made. These rocks are eventually supposed to be turned into jewelry. I found a lady online that is a good jeweler, but she hasn't gotten back to me yet. Because this is going to be made into some jewelry for my daughter for her graduation next year. And in this drawer there's more papers and some finished little works, and this one has mostly just scraps for journaling. This is the door I need to move away sometime. This is a umbrella light, soft light. I have two of these, but I only have one set up right now. This is my paint trolley with all my recent most used paint on there for bigger projects. This is the miscellaneous mess in here. I got miscellaneous mess up here. This mostly has just journaling stuff. This too. Down here is mostly other paints like watercolor, pens. That's fabric paint actually, and there's some oil paint which I don't really use ever, but it's there. Give it to somebody. My wood pile. This is a miscellaneous corner here I need to do something with. I kept these boxes to organize, so I'm organizing shelves someday. Maybe when the weather gets colder and I'm forced to be inside. And this is the one I like the most. I organized all my paintings in here. They're kind of leaning right now, so I may have to fix something. I think it might have been gotten loose or something. But anyway, this is the way I did it so they don't get damaged laying on top of each other. There's the smaller stuff, and there's look at all the canvases I have to do. I got these ones, and I got more there, and then I have a whole 5 or 6 wood canvases. And look at all this. This is all paper, watercolor paper, and these are pictures I'm going to hang up there for my kids. Those are the smaller little pieces. All up here, my jewelry pieces. None of the mess up there, but don't look at that right now. So yeah, this is the room. Definitely better than it used to be. Okay, but now the real fun starts, as I want to take a break from cleaning. I decided to start with the journaling, so I'm going to set that up and show you how I set up my journals. I have 2. One maybe going to be a travel journal or a sort of like a daily, weekly journal, and one is going to be an art journal, which is actually an old recipe book binder thing. Okay, so I decided to stop the video here because there's plenty of fun projects to come, as you saw. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how I set up my journals and show you some reasons why I'm trying to change my focus a little bit for a little while. And yeah, just have fun with a new project. Still abstract and mixed media oriented, of course. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share, whatever it is. And yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the next exciting projects on journaling and abstract paint. Okay, see you guys soon.